Hello everyone and welcome back to 2 Minute English. In today's episode, you will learn 3 useful English expressions about food and eating habits. So, let's get started. Number 1. Fussy eater. A fussy eater is a person who is very picky about food and does not like many kinds of foods. For example, my little brother is a fussy eater. He only eats pizza and fries. She is a fussy eater, so it's hard to choose a restaurant. So, a fussy eater is someone who is hard to please with food. The second one, foodie. A foodie is a person who loves food and enjoys trying new dishes. For example, she is a foodie. She loves cooking and trying new recipes. I'm a foodie, so I like eating at different restaurants. So, a foodie is someone who is interested in food and cooking. The third one, have a craving for. To have a craving for something means to want to eat it very much right now. For example, I have a craving for chocolate. He is having a craving for spicy food. We use it when we strongly want a specific food. So, the final example is, my sister is a foodie, but my cousin is a fussy eater, and today I have a craving for burgers. That's all for today's episode of 2 Minute English. Like, share, and subscribe for more short English lessons and useful expressions.